Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Now we will tell you the news about the AMP coin cryptocurrency. Morgan Chase joins growing list of investors in blockchain intelligence firm TRM Labs. Blockchain intelligence leader TRM Labs has announced a strategic investment from Morgan Chase & Company. According to the firm's press release, San Francisco-based TRM Labs has announced that Morgan Chase has joined the list of financial firms to invest in its crypto compliance and risk management technology. TRM's technology allows business, regulators and law enforcement to monitor cryptocurrency transactions for suspicious activity, and to trace the movement of stolen or other illicitly obtained funds. Esteban Castano, co-founder and CEO of TRM, said his company was thrilled to use the investment opportunity to work towards building a safer crypto economy for all. He continued, "This investment clearly highlights the significance of the growing crypto economy and the importance of building trust and safety in this ecosystem to sustain its growth." Umer Farooq, CEO of Onyx by JP Morgan, said TRM's vision to drive security and integrity in crypto ecosystems was aligned with the investment bank's ambition for building blockchain products. Farooq explained that JP Morgan intended to leverage infrastructure companies like TRM to help usher in a future of secure blockchain and crypto use cases. TRM's transaction monitoring solution allows financial institutions and businesses to meet anti-money laundering (AML) regulatory requirements and manage their operational risk. Law enforcement agencies can also use the company's forensics tool to investigate crypto-related crime. Mike Dudas explains why most DAOs are neither decentralized nor autonomous. LinkSAO, a decentralized autonomous organization aspiring to reimagine the idea of the Gulf Country Club through global membership, illustrates the complexity that can underpin the Red Hot acronym. While holding a LinkSAO NFT gives users membership rights, there has been some confusion amongst holders as to the extent of what those public markets already price in significant recession risks, and digital assets have repriced significantly following the collapse of Terros. Some alternative assets such as private equity, private debt and real estate appear to have lagged somewhat, is said. We thus replace real estate with digital assets as our preferred alternative asset class. However, the bank strategists downgraded alternative investments, those type of assets outside of stocks, bonds or cash, to underweight from overweight, citing the continuing macroeconomic difficulties. Morgan expects returns from alternative assets such as cryptocurrency to come in at 10% over the next year. That compares with a return of 12% for traditional assets. Bitcoin 30% undervalued, says Morgan, although the market was still reeling from the recent sell-off. Panagiotsoglu and his team are confident Bitcoin will soon rally. The strategists maintain that Bitcoin's fair value is $38,000, based on its volatility ratio to gold. This means that at the current price of around $29,600, BTC is trading at a discount of nearly 30%. They said, "The past month's crypto market correction looks more like capitulation relative to last Jan-February, and going forward, we see upside for Bitcoin and crypto markets more generally." Morgan's strategists sounded bullish on the future of the crypto industry, just as long as venture capital funding kept flowing. They stated that the trajectory for VC funding would be crucial in helping the crypto market to avoid the long winter of 2018-2019. To their point, venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin. But before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP. The average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.